Without further ado, just let me tell you about one of the greatest love stories of our time. Aaron Blake, A-Dog, the A-Train, meets Dylan Lutz.
Dear Dylan, I can't believe the day is finally here. In just a couple hours, I will be able to call you my wife, and you will have made me the happiest man alive. When we met 4 years ago, I had no idea we would get married, but I always knew there was something special about you, and I wanted you in my life. You were smart, beautiful, compassionate, and kind. You always put others before yourself.
Dear Aaron, today I marry you, my perfect match, and the man of my dreams, my guy. 4 years ago we met not knowing what it would lead to, and I look back on that day fondly and with gratitude. The moment I met you, I knew I was going to love you. You have a way to make me laugh and smile every day, no matter the circumstances, no matter my mood. You endure my bad days and always find a way to make them better, and for that, I am grateful. I couldn't ask for a better partner in life than you.
We have proven over the last couple years that together we can make it through anything. I can't wait to see you at the end of the aisle. You're going to look so beautiful.
We have been put to the test so many times, losing two of the most important people in our lives within a year. Together, we have gotten through some of the worst days and come out stronger. I know your dad is so proud of the man you are, and I am so grateful I was able to get to know him. I know my mom is so happy to have found somebody that treats me the way that you do.
Dylan is incredibly smart academically and in life in general, which is a great blend of Susan and John, two very, very bright people on all fronts. Dylan obviously is caring and compassionate, key qualities that have driven her into her nursing profession and have made her the best nurse in Thunder Bay. And obviously, this comes from my sister Susan, was a nurse, and I'll look at that. Had the same qualities. All of this and much, much more add up to one very special human being. And Aaron, I do know one very special quality that you possess, and that's your ability to find the absolute best friend and partner in life that you possibly could, and joining you in a long, exciting life together. So you make a wonderful, wonderful couple.
As Susan's health declined over several years, she mentioned on many occasions, I just want to live to see Dylan get married. Although this wasn't realized, Susan did meet Aaron and knew he was the one, and she'd actually told him this, expressing the same sentiment as Al. So today their wishes are fulfilled.
Be gentle with the earth, be gentle with one another. When disagreements come, remember always to protect the spirit of your union. When you realize you've made a mistake, take immediate steps to correct it. Remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each other exceeds your need for each other. So love yourselves, love one another, love all that is your life together, and all else will follow.
Aaron and Dylan, we have heard your promise to share your lives in marriage. We recognize and respect the covenant of marriage you have made here this day before each one of us as witnesses. Therefore, in the honesty and sincerity of what you have said and done here today, it is my distinct honor and delight to declare you henceforth to be husband and wife. You may seal your vows with a kiss.
Aaron and Dylan have stoked this love into a raging inferno. It has gotten to the point that this love would be impossible to just extinguish. And I know it never will be extinguished.
Like a fire, like a flood. That's how I feel your love.
I'm so lucky to be able to finally call you my wife. It's been quite the journey to get to this point. We have overcome, I think, close to every obstacle possible, and we've come out of it stronger, and I'm so excited for what the future holds for us.
That's how I feel your love.
Aaron and Dylan, you have your love. As you have our love as you enter a new phase of your lives. Continue to care and respect each other. And never forget your mother-in-law and your father-in-law.
Like a fire, like a flood. That's how I feel your love. Like a fire, like a flood. That's how I feel your love.
The world is ours, my love, and I can't wait to take it on with you as my husband. I love you.